Welcome to the Altair SimLab tutorial. In this tutorial, you will see the advanced grid meshing option. Let's see the problem description. In this, we will see the mesh transition option, the project nodes option, the three side faces, merge faces, the grid mesh on 2D elements, and also the grid mesh on the touch solid body. Now let's see the first option, which is the mesh transition option. Go to File, Open, select the SLB file, and say Open. Now zoom to a particular location to perform this option. Go to Mesh, Grid Mesh, select the element type as Trial, click on the Advanced option, click on the Mesh Transition option as the Auto method. Select the face. Here you can right click to increase the element density and left click to decrease the density of the elements. And middle click to open the edit box where you can edit the values. And click OK. Now again, zoom to a particular location to perform the mesh transition option using the manual method. Again, go to Mesh, Grid Mesh. Now in the mesh transition option, select the manual method. Select one of the face to perform the option. Now here, manually you can go to the edge elements density and you can increase or decrease the density of the elements. Click OK. Now let's see the project nodes option. Again, go to Mesh, Grid Mesh, activate the project node option, zoom to a location to perform this option. Select one of the fillets. And make sure you're using the CAD face project node option there. Increase the density along the y-axis. And click OK. Once you just check on the CAD, you see that the fillets have been projected onto the CAD face. Now let's see the next option, which is the three side faces. Again, go to Mesh, Grid Mesh. Zoom to a particular location to perform this option. Select the face, modify the X and Y densities and click OK. Now let's see the next option, which is the merge face option. Go to Mesh, Grid Mesh, select the merge face option, zoom to a particular location to perform this option. So here you need to select the multiple faces so that the faces get merged into a single face. Increase the density as required as shown here and click OK. Now if you click on the fillet, you can see that it's completely a single face. The faces have been merged here. Now let's go to the next option, which is the grid mesh on 2D elements. Open the SLB file. Again, go to Mesh, Grid Mesh. In this, select the element type as Quad. Select one of the face of the circle. Click OK. You can see that now the complete face has come with the quad elements. Similarly, you can try with the other face elements. Select one of the faces. Adjust the number of elements as required. and click OK. So you can see that now the face is having completely quad elements. Now let's see the next option, which is the grid mesh on the touch solid body. So you can see the cut section and check that now this is a complete touch solid body. Now let's perform the grid mesh on the touch solid body. Go to Mesh, Grid Mesh, and select the element type as Triad, select the face and click OK. So you can see that the mesh has completely changed and it has a good uniform mesh here.